Are you using Odoo online? Want to track your e-commerce website visitors in Google Analytics? The Google Analytics 4 for Odoo Online module by Garazd Creation is fully compatible with Odoo SaaS. It tracks product and user interactions and supports Google Consent Mode. To start tracking visitor activity on your Odoo website and send e-commerce events to Google Analytics, complete the following setup steps. First, copy your measurement ID from your Google Analytics account. Next, activate tracking in your Odoo website settings. Now create a new tracking service. Select Google Analytics as the service type. Choose your website if you have multiple websites, and paste the copied measurement ID. In the Advanced Matching tab, select which user-provided data to send to Google Analytics to improve your advertising performance with enhanced conversions. The module integrates with the native Odoo cookies bar and automatically updates Google Consent Mode v2 based on the visitor's cookie preferences. If you do not use the Odoo cookies bar, the module grants consent for all cookie types by default. Let's verify that tracking data is sent to Google Analytics through the Google tag using debug mode. Enable this option in the tracking service. You can also enable internal logs to store tracking data inside Odoo for analysis and website monitoring. For testing, log out of Odoo or use a different browser, as website tracking does not work for internal Odoo users. Perform several e-commerce actions on your Odoo website. Then open Google Analytics 4. Go to Admin, Data Display, Debug View. This page shows tracking events from your website almost in real time. You can also open the internal Odoo logs to confirm that all recorded visitor events have been successfully delivered to Google Analytics. Each tracking log includes detailed event information, such as the event type, timestamp, website visitor or logged-in user with their country, the sales order, and the list of products. Keep in mind that Odoo's native behavior adds a delivery line to the sales order. To exclude the delivery line from tracking data and prevent sending it to Google Analytics via the tracking service, open the website settings and enable the Exclude Delivery option. Choose a professional Odoo and Google Analytics integration to get reliable tracking and complete control over your website analytics.